Hi, this is George Beyrouthi from FS Securities, a stockbroking firm on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia. Today I'll show you how, by the end of today, Thursday the 24th of January, a lot of our clients are likely to make some good profit on a trade we entered approximately 15 days ago, where the return will be 53% return. That's the risk over reward or reward over risk. Well, I want to show you first of all what we did on the 9th of January. We entered an options trade. It's called the Iron Condor, where at the time, back then, Woodside Petroleum was trading around $32.42, around here somewhere. And we said that within 15 days, it is likely that Woodside Petroleum would remain between $34.01 and $31.01. Why is the 1 cent? Because that's the options strike. That is the contract note. That's the contract level. As long as Woodside Petroleum remains within that range in 15 days, it can go up or down as long as 15 days later it is within 34 and 31. Well, yesterday the market closed at $33.20. Now we don't know what's going to happen today, but it's unlikely it will push above the 34 or below the 31. This is actually the payoff diagram. The line in the center here, the vertical line, is the $0. Anything above it, we're making money. Anything below it, we lose money. The entry was, we actually risk 32 units. Let's call that units because it depends on the number of contracts, and I will explain that in a minute. As long as it stays above it, we can actually, provide it stays within 34 and 31, 17 units will be the money that you will make, with the risk being 32 units. So now I'm saying units because every one contract in that option trade represents 100 shares. And then of course you can have one contract entry, or you can have 100 contracts. So you can multiply that 17 units, which is $17 or 17 cents, whatever you call it, depending on the number of contracts, by 100, because every contract represents 100 shares, and then you multiply that by the number of contracts you entered. So it is likely that today, we don't see how the market is going to go up above 34 or below 31. Of course it can happen, but it's unlikely. And at the end of today, and I'm going to talk to you again tomorrow morning, how much money our clients made. Now I really want to tell you that our disclaimer, because I don't know your professional or your financial circumstances, and everything I said today is actually for general advice only and not for personal advice. So before you take any action or before you do anything at all, talk to us or talk to your professional advisor. And if you want to ask any questions, all you have to do is write to me at george@fssecurities.com.au, or look at our website, or you can call me on my mobile. If you're ringing from overseas, you put 61 first, you don't do the 0, then 61 411 2595 to